Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Boeing, and it is probably one of the most controversial stock when it comes to news and the products which they are producing. So once a kind of stock which everybody looks at now, a stock which already been in news, for wrong reasons obviously, and this is not a new issue. It's like everybody accepted that this company will definitely have issues one or the another day or a month, and the things could crop up over a period of time, and we can't expect uh, that some even though some good things are happening, but every day or another or in a month or so you can expect that something or some agencies will find out that the kind of procedures or the kind of engines or the kind of damages uh, is happening with the lives of the people, because it ultimately affects the life of the people, is indeed a very serious thing. But things are going on like there is no difference. Now understand this, having said that, obviously these are the issues which are very prevalent in nature, but let me just restrict myself to the stock movement and not like going into those details, because then this is very sensitive also, because you are indirectly or directly, you know, being responsible for human lives when you are flying in the sky. So things are getting very serious, but when you look at this trend, so why I'm saying this, because this kind of news does makes the price movement very volatile. Okay, so if it continuously cropping up on the news and in the company's uh, performance, then it will definitely hamper not only the confidence but also the stock price, and you can see the kind of things which are happening in the chart. Now what you can see here, that the stock has been in a consolidating range, where the support or immediate support lies at 157, and then we have $154. Okay, and if it breaks this range, then you have 120 odd dollars in the downside, and on the upside you have 187 and 190, which is your first target or a resistance which you can look at, and on the upside you have 233 odd dollars. So if you talk about your current range, so this highlighted area is your current range right now. Okay, so this is the area which you should focus on as your current range, and inside that the stock is trading in this area. Okay, so the stock is trading inside this area, so this is probably be your trading range, where I have explained you the support as well as the resistance. So stick inside that area, and if you want to do something, just do within this range. So if the stock near to its support level, you can place your stop loss accordingly and go for the higher side, and simultaneously if it is on the higher side, you can go short accordingly, placing stop loss on the higher end of the range, unless the stock either make a breakout above 191 and it either falls down below 154, then we have probably big downside as well as a good amount of upside on the higher end of the range. But what is actually happening in this stock is, if there is a news which does shake the stock and makes it volatile, so the stock first goes into a correction, then went into a consolidation, and again waits for the things to normalize before something else crops up, which will probably be in a negative side, the stocks again start moving higher. So this is what we can see, because we have seen these things previously, 1 and 2 and 3. So this is nothing but a kind of wave which you can see here. You can see that this is your first wave, this is your second wave, this is your third wave. This is a fourth wave, so we don't know how this fourth wave will go. But if it is falls below this second wave 109, then obviously this will be this trend will get valid will get non-validated, and we cannot use this. But currently this is the fourth wave, and probably if it does not breaks below 120, then we will again see a fifth wave on the upside. This is what we can see, but this wave kind of thing does not works well for stocks. It does works very well for the indices, so that is another aspect. But this is your current trend for this particular stock, and what you can see is levels, and the stock is currently at its consolidating level. And if and when the stock will go beyond this range, then only you take your bet accordingly, unless let the stock be in that consolidated range, and if you want to do any activity, stay within this range. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.